Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 7.1, question number 3. First of all, read this question. Here, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, 11 are collinear. Okay, that means we need to check here these points are collinear or not. Okay, we need to check here these points are collinear or not. So in theory, we see that we have two conditions. We can use any one condition. Either we can go with the distance formula, otherwise we can go with the area of triangle. Okay, in this exercise we need to use the distance formula. So here I am using the distance formula. You can also use the area of triangle. Okay, both the method you can use. But right now, this question I am trying with the distance formula. And we need to check that this is collinear or not. So what we need to do? So these 3 points A, B and C. We need to find distance between all 3 points. Out of that, addition of 2 small distance, we check with the big distance. Okay, to smaller value we need to add, and if it is equal with the large value, then these points are collinear, otherwise not. That means AB plus BC is equal to AC. If we get the AB plus BC is equal to AC, then these points are collinear, otherwise not. Okay. So here I just give A 1, 5, B 2, 3, and C minus 2, minus 11. Okay, so our 3 points A 1, 5, B 2, 3, C minus 2, minus 11. So this is our x1, y1, x2, y2, and third point x3, y3. Now what we need to do? We need to find distance between A and B. Then we need to find distance between B and C, and then we need to find distance between A and C. Okay, so we need to find distance between AB, BC and AC. So first of all, just start with distance AB. Okay, so here distance AB is equal to, now what is the formula? Okay, use the distance formula here, x1 minus x2 all square plus y1 minus y2 all square. Okay, now put the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2. So here our x1 it is 1 minus x2 2 all square plus y1 it is 5, y2 it is 3 all square. Now plus minus minus, 2 minus 1 1, big number 2 have negative sign, so negative sign all square, plus 5 minus 3 2 all square. Now here 2 square 4 plus minus 1 all square. Now 1 square 1, negative becomes positive. So 4 plus 1 5, so under root 5. Now we cannot find the square root of 5, so 5 remains as it is in the under root. Okay, so distance AB is equal to under root 5. Now what we need to do? We need to find distance BC. Okay, so distance BC is equal to, now here our coordinates are x2 y2 and x3 y3, so we cannot use the 1 x1 y1. So somehow we need to change our formula. We need to write the formula according to x2 y2 and x3 y3. So here x2 minus x3 all square plus y2 minus y3 whole square Okay. Now x2 it is 2 minus x3. Okay, x2 2, this negative sign as per the formula. Now x3 itself has the negative sign, so minus 2 whole square plus y2 it is 3, this minus sign as per the formula and itself has the negative sign, so write down in the bracket and whole square. Okay, now 2 minus minus plus 2 whole square. Here 3 minus minus plus 11 whole square. Okay. Now 2 plus 2 4 whole square 16. Okay, and 11 plus 3 14 square 196. Okay, 2 plus 2 4 square 16, 11 plus 3 14 square 196. Now addition is 212. Addition is 212, right? Now find the square root of 212. So first of all 212 by 4 5s are 20, 12 4 3s are 12. Okay, so in place of 212 we can write 4 multiply 53 because 53 4s are 212. Now we can find the square root of 4, it is 2, so 2 under root 53. We cannot find the square root of 53, so it remains as it is. Okay, 212 we can write 4 multiply 53, find out the square root of 4, it is 2, and this 53 remains in the under root, so under root 53. Now find the third distance. Distance A and C, and here we have x1 y1 and x3 y3, x1 y1 and x3 y3. So we need to adjust our formula according to 1 and 3. So x1 minus x3 whole square, y1 minus y3 whole square. Okay. Now x1 it is 1 minus x3. x3 is minus 2, so we need to put in the bracket whole square plus our y1 is 5 minus this minus sign as per the formula. Now 11 itself has the negative sign, so in bracket and whole square. Okay, now 1 minus minus plus 2 whole square. Here 5 minus minus plus 11 whole square. 2 plus 1 3 square 9. Here 11 plus 5 16 square 256, and addition of 256 plus 9 it is 265. Okay, now what is the square root of 265? So for 265 we can divide with 5, right? So 5 5s are 25, then 15 5 3s are, it is 53 5s are. It is 53 5s are, but we cannot find the square root of 53. We cannot find the square root of 5. It means under root 265 remains as it is. Here 53 4s are, square root of 4 that we know 2, but here 5 multiply 53. We cannot find the square root of 53, we cannot find the square root of 5. So under root 265 remains as it is. Now we need to check AB plus BC is equal to AC or not. Every time it is not necessary that AB plus BC is equal to AC. Alternative में क्या करना है, दो स्मॉल वैल्यू जो हो उनका एडिशन थर्ड वैल्यू के साथ चेक करना है. दो स्मॉल वैल्यू का एडिशन थर्ड वैल्यू के साथ चेक करना है. अब यहाँ पे स्मॉलर वैल्यू कौन कौन सी है, देखो यहाँ पे 212 है, यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ पे 265 है, तो ये दोनों वैल्यू स्मॉल हुई. सो AB प्लस BC हमें चेक करना है. AB plus BC. Now AB, that is under root 5. Here 2 under root 53. Now we cannot add this 2 number. We cannot add this 2 number. This remains as it is. Because here under root 5 and here under root 53. So we cannot add this 2 number. So this AB plus BC remains as it is, and it is not equal with the AC. AC is different. It is under root 265. Okay. So these two answers are not same. So AB plus BC is not equal to AC. It means these 3 points are not collinear points. So points A, B and C are not collinear points. Okay? If it is equal, then collinear. Not equal, not collinear. Okay? AB, BC, AC. Find out the addition. It is not equal with the AC. So these points are not collinear points. Okay? Now let's move forward. Question number 4. Here check whether 5 minus 2, then 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertex of an isosceles triangle or not. Okay, we need to check these are the vertex of isosceles triangle or not. Okay, now for isosceles triangle, what is the requirement? Okay, in isosceles triangle we know that two sides are equal. Okay, A, B, C, two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Not necessarily that always AB is equal to AC. But we need to check. We want equal sides. So what we need to do? Find the distance between AB. Find the distance between BC. Find out the distance between AC. If two distances are same, that means if two sides are same, then we can say that this is isosceles triangle. Okay? Find out the AB, BC and AC. If we get two answers are same, then we can say that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay? So just try to find AB, BC and AC. If you will get the answers, same answers, then we can say that this is isosceles, otherwise not. Okay, so here we want two equal sides. Okay, so first of all we draw one triangle. This is our A, 5 minus 2, first point. Then B, 6, 4 and C, third point, 7 minus 2. Okay, first of all distance AB. Now x1, y1, x2, y2 and here x3, y3. Okay, now use the formula. x1 minus x2 all square plus y1 minus y2 all square. Now x1 5 minus x2 6 all square plus y1 minus 2 minus y2 minus 4 all square. Okay, now here 5 minus 6 plus minus 6 minus 5 1. Big number 6 have negative sign, so negative sign all square. Now here minus plus 4 plus 2 6. Big number 4 have negative sign, so negative sign all square. Okay. Now minus 1 all square, it is plus 1, and minus 6 all square 36. Okay. Minus 1 all square plus 1. Minus 6 all square plus 36. So 36 plus 1, 37. 36 plus 1, 37. So distance AB is equal to under root 37. Okay. Now find out the distance BC. Here x2, y2 and x3, y3. So x2 minus x3 all square plus y2 minus y3 all square. Now here x2 x2 it is 6 minus x3 it is 7 plus y2 4 minus y3, this minus sign as per the formula, and y3 itself have the negative sign, so minus 2 all square. Now 6 minus 7, 7 minus 6 1, plus minus minus, sorry, plus minus minus, 7 minus 6 1, big number 7 have negative sign, so negative sign all square. Here 4 minus minus plus 2 all square. Now 1 square 1, 4 plus 2 6, 6 square 36, and 36 plus 1 37. That means here two sides are same. So this is isosceles triangle. But we also need to find the third distance AC. Why? Because if that distance becomes 0, then this point does not form a triangle. So that even we need to check. Okay, ABBC same, that means isosceles. But we also need to check for the AC. If it is 0, then triangle is not formed. So definitely it is not isosceles. So find out the AC. If it is not 0, then this triangle is isosceles triangle. ओके, दो तो इक्वल आ गए, इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं कि आइसोस्केल हो गया, पहले ये तो चेक करना है ना कि ट्रायंगल है या नहीं. तो थर्ड डिस्टेंस AC भी फाइंड करना है. 0 आया तो ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है, 0 नहीं आया तो फिर वो आइसोस्केल ही है. ओके, फाइंड आउट द थर्ड डिस्टेंस AC. Here x1 minus x3 all square, y1 minus y3 all square. Now x1 5, x3 7, y1 minus 2, y3 minus 2, but here this minus sign as per the formula, and minus 2 itself have the negative sign, so in bracket and all square. Now 5 minus 7, plus minus minus, 7 minus 5, 2 big number 7 have negative sign, so negative sign all square. Here minus 2, then minus minus plus 2 all square. Okay, now minus 2 square plus 4 plus 2 minus 2 0, and 0 square 0. Okay, so 4 plus 0 4. Now under root of 4 it is 2. Okay, so AB and BC both are same, AC is different, but it does not 0. That means triangle is possible and two sides are same, so this is isosceles triangle. Okay, a triangle ABC, AB is equals to BC, AB is equals to BC, so triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, find out the distance AB, BC both are same, AC 2. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.